Conservation has been at the heart of natural selection ever since its inception in 2016. Since then, we have initiated and funded dozens of wildlife conservation and community outreach projects across Botswana.
Wild Shots Outreach engages with previously disadvantaged African communities that live on the borders of protected areas. We use cameras and photography to reconnect these young people with their natural heritage and to make them aware of wildlife conservation and wildlife tourism. These young people that live on the edge of these protected areas have never been on a game drive.
1.5% of every booking at our lodges goes directly towards supporting local communities, protecting wildlife and preserving conservation areas. So just by traveling to one of our lodges, you are making a meaningful difference to the future of Botswana's wildlife. We believe the key to wildlife conservation lies in the hands of the next generation. So we are excited to be able to support innovative youth programs like Coaching Conservation and Wild Shots.
Coaching Conservation is a program of Wild in Trust. Our mission is to protect natural resources by using sport to engender a generation of kids who care about themselves, about each other, and about the natural world around them.
Natural selection's broad reach means there is also scope for collaboration between our programs, leading to even greater benefits for everyone.
I came across Wild Shots Outreach, Sandra from Natural Selection. It was like, we actually short of one person. Are you willing to join us for tomorrow? I was like, okay, yeah, I'd love that. I did a course with them, and then a week later, Wild Interest reached out to me. I've been working with them, using my skills that I got from Wild Shots to show the world how they do things, tell their story. My life before Wild Shots Outreach, before the course I did, it would have been pretty hard for me to get an opportunity to work with Wild Interest or any organization that does the things that they do. I've learned new skills on how to take better photos. So thank you to Wild Shots.